There's your fatigue. My mommy, yay. Debbie Pearson, give thanks. There's your fatigue. Now you binky. Right on for a minute. There's your fatigue. Check a digger file. I'm back. Check bitch. Mama Yaba. The Oracle man, she's in the building, right? Yeah, I'm on. Cool. So look, man, look, black on black crime. Stop saying that. Man, yo. Stop saying that. Y'all got to stop saying that. Y'all got to stop saying it's black on black crime. I hate to hear that shit. I hate to hear people keep saying, well, you know, black on black crime, we killing each other. Look, at the Revolutionary War, was that white people against white people? Did you call that white on white crime? When the mob was running, knocking everybody off and doing their little shit on it, was that white on white crime? The Civil War, when the South was going against the North, was that white on white crime? Wasn't nobody walking around protesting talking about we got to stop killing each other, white on white crime. Stop saying that shit. Stop falling for the okie doke with that dumb shit. No, this is not about black on black crime. This ain't about a white on white crime. This is about murder. When someone gets murdered, nobody trying to hear no dumb shit about white on white, black on black, Chinese on Chinese. Nah, when your loved one gets murdered, we're not trying to hear we blaming it on the race. The race did not kill a person. Another person took another person's life, and those persons or a person is responsible for the life that they took. Not black on black crime.